Think you're training your back every time you row or pull? Think again. Most people in the gym walk out with sore arms and tired traps but almost no back engagement. And if you've been grinding out pull-ups or rows but still don't see that wide V-shaped back, chances are you're making the same mistakes that 80% of lifters do. Here's the truth. The back is tricky because you can't see it working. You don't watch it flex in the mirror like biceps or chest. You have to feel it. And that's where most people fail. Let's break down the classic mistakes. Mistake number 1, turning rows into a bicep curl. Instead of pulling with their back, people bend their elbows and do all the work with their arms. Mistake 2, shrugging shoulders up during pull-ups or lat pull-down, turning it into a trap workout instead of a lat workout. Mistake 3, using momentum, rocking the body back and forth, jerking the bar or dumbbell just to move weight instead of controlling it. Honest, how many of these sound familiar? Now let's fix it. First step, set your foundation. Whether it's a row, pull down, or pull up, your spine is the pillar. Think of it like a steel rod. If it bends or wobbles, tension leaks everywhere. So brace your core. Keep your chest proud, shoulders back and down. That's your anchor. For rows, grab the dumbbells, hinge at the hips like you're bowing forward, back flat, chest slightly lifted. Now here's the golden rule. Don't pull with your hands, pull with your elbows. Imagine your elbows are hooks dragging the weight back, not your biceps curling it in. As you row, squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're trying to pinch a coin between them. Hold that squeeze, then slowly lower. Don't let gravity drop the weights. For pull-ups or lat pull-downs, start by depressing the shoulders. Pull them down and back before you even bend your elbows. Then drive your elbows toward your sides, chest rising toward the bar. At the bottom, your lats should feel tight, not your traps. On the way up, control it, full stretch at the top, no jerking. Let's contrast when you row with arms only. Your biceps fry out, but your back stays soft. Wrong. When you shrug your way through pull-ups, your traps do the work, not your lats. Wrong. When you swing the bar down with momentum, it's your ego lifting, not your back. Wrong. But when you lock your core, pull with elbows, squeeze shoulder blades, control the tempo, your back lights up like never before. That's the right way. Intermediate lifters, here's your fix. Add an isometric pause. The top of each row or pull down. Hold for 1 full second. Squeeze like you're trying to break the bar in half with your back. Advanced tweak, slow tempo. 3 seconds pulling, 1 second squeeze, 3 seconds lowering. Another killer tip, focus your mind on the lats. Visualization is science-backed. Imagine your wings spreading wider as you pull, and the contraction gets stronger. So here's your challenge. Grab a pair of dumbbells, hinge forward and perform 12 perfect rows. No swinging, no curling, just back. Then hit the bar for 8 controlled pull-ups. Shoulders down, elbows driving, chest tall. Feel the difference? That's your back finally firing. Remember, big backs aren't built by sloppy reps or chasing heavy weights, they're built by precision. Master these fundamentals. Layer in the tweaks and your back won't just look wide and strong. It'll function like an armored shield. Train smart, stay disciplined, and keep pulling forward, because your best physique is still waiting to be built.